Hello everyone, this is Karan from IIT Delhi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Finally, the wait is over. जिसका हमें था इंतज़ार वो घड़ी आ गई. Finally, the wait is over and JAM 2022 application form is out. The earlier date which was given was 30 August, but they have given the form on 25th of August, that is yesterday. So in this video I will be showing you how to fill this JAM 2022 admission forms. Basically I will be showing you the pictures of the important things which you have to do, which you have to fill and which you have to keep in mind for filling the form. I hope you will enjoy the video, and this video is very important for all the JAM 2022 aspirants. Then so please share the video to everyone, and if you are JAM 2022 chemistry aspirant, please subscribe our channel for crash course and short notes and much more amazing content. Let's begin. So this is the website for JAM 2022. The organizing institute is IIT Roorkee. The official website is jam.iitr.ac.in. You will get the link in the description box. Once you are on the website, it shows JAM online application processing system is live now, and it shows here JAM 2022 apply online. When you click on this, the portal will open up and log in if already registered, but you have not registered. You have to click here new user, register here. Then you will enter your first name, last name, surname. Do keep in mind that you have to write the name very correctly, spellings very correctly, as they are going to be on your mark sheet of your graduation. This is also mentioned here. This is very important point. Okay, then write the email address, give the correct email address, correct mobile number, because these will be used to verify your details, to send you all the details of whole JAM admission procedure and counseling. Okay, after doing this, when you confirm the password and do everything, then the portal for admission form will open up, and now I will show you what are the things there. Okay, so when you click after finally submitting all your details like email ID and everything, you will first get the option of JAM 2022 examination details. You will first get the option of JAM 2022 examination details. Like how many papers do you want to appear in, 1 or 2? Like you can appear for 2 papers with the condition that 1 paper should be in morning shift and 1 paper should be in evening shift. You can get these details from the information brochure of the JAM 2022, which is available on the official website of IIT Roorkee, JAM IIT Roorkee. Okay. Then if you are appearing for 1 paper, then you have to select which paper. For me it will be chemistry. It will be chemistry and bracket, that is you will get the option. Now coming on to the exam center, see what is the procedure of allotting you a center. There are zones of IIT Kanpur zone, IIT Delhi zone. Depending on the zones of IIT, you get the center. So first city will be your, depending on the IIT zone. Like if I fill, suppose I am from Lucknow, so I will fill first IIT Kanpur zone, and then I will be selecting a city that is Lucknow from that zone. I will be selecting Lucknow from this zone. Now second, I have to select the city from the same zone. That means I have to select the city from IIT Kanpur zone only. So I will have to select Kanpur. The options will be according to that only. I cannot select Delhi here. And third, I can choose anywhere I want. I will be selecting Delhi. This was the case which I did. If you are from Delhi, you can fill Delhi here, you can fill Gurgaon or Noida here, and you can fill any other here. This is how it goes. Same zone. Okay. Next. Like this is the case, you will be getting your personal details. You will have to enter the name and everything, the name of the candidate, then email address and phone number. You have to verify the email address and phone number very carefully. Email address and phone number, because you have to verify them. Once you verify them, you will be receiving an enrollment ID, which will be used in the form filling and which will be used in counseling. So please fill the correct details. Okay, correct. Now moving on to the further, you will be asked for date of birth, you will be asked for gender and everything. You can fill. Now you will be asked for address for correspondence. Now address for correspondence, what is this? You can fill your address, anything you can fill. You have to, not anything, you have to fill your address. That's very common, understood. State, UT and country you can fill. Next, nationality. Indian. If you are a foreign national, then you can see the conditions which are there. Now ID proof, you can give Aadhaar, you can give Aadhaar card, you can give Aadhaar card here. Okay, and you have to give your Aadhaar number here. Now give the category, and if you are like belonging to some other category, then you have to also like give the category certificate, valid category certificate. Okay. Okay, and guidelines for other, these are given. You get guidelines for EWS, OBC, NCL, and can be found here. You have to see the guidelines from the brochure, and you have to upload the required certificate. Now if you are a person with disability, no, then it's okay. If you are yes, you have to provide a proper proof for that. Okay, PWD certificate, disability certificate basically. Okay, dyslexia and everything, no. And now you will be getting an option of qualifying degree. Qualifying degree will be your bachelor's. I guess most of you will be having BSc. That will be BSc. Discipline of qualifying degree, you can either write, for my case I am telling, you can write chemistry also. I had written chemistry honors. You can fill anything, no issues. Okay, because, and if you are from BSc, normal BSc, so you can fill BSc PCM or anything, BSc mathematics, you can fill like that. Basically fill chemistry, don't fill chemistry honors everything. Either fill chemistry or fill chemistry on it. It's both is okay. Even if you are from BSc program, you can fill chemistry. Now select the year which you will be completing your degree. It has to be 2022. If you have not been graduated, if you are not a dropper, then means you are in a third year, so you have to complete your degree by 2022. That means you will be giving your final semester examination in 2022, in the year when you will be appearing for JAM. Now address of the college, university and everything, just remember that you cannot use any apostrophe or everything. So from example, I was from St. Stephen's College, so I have to leave the apostrophe s. Okay, this is the for qualifying degree. Now for documents uploading, upload the photograph. Now the main problem which I faced, which my friends faced last year, was this: it has to be of this height and this thing, it has to be of this much pixels, and size also you must have been given. Size will be 50 KB to 200 KB with aspect ratio of 0.66 and 0.89. This is very important specification, you have to ensure, otherwise it will take a lot of time to upload and like you will face a lot of problems. What did I do? I uploaded, I just made it on Paint. I had to made it on Paint, or you can just do this like by square, by scale on a paper. You can just get this particular area and do this, scan like that, or make it on Paint after compressing it if you're not getting the correct aspect ratio. And for signature also, you can do it on a paper like this by taking scale and doing like this. If you are not getting a correct aspect ratio, you can do all this. It also has to be in the correct aspect ratio mentioned. After doing all this, you will be given the terms and conditions. You have to obviously click on accept. You don't have any other option. Okay, now how did you come to know about IIT JAM? You will be getting an option, you can choose any. Now you will be getting an option of save and update, save and view. See, save and view, download application form, proceed to update. Save, if you are filling right now and you are not sure, so you have to click save and update. Otherwise you have to click save and view, and proceed to payment will be the final option. Clear? Now if you are having queries regarding what is the fees, so this is the fees criteria, you can see here on the screen. Okay, it is given. I hope this video is very clear to you. If you have any doubts, now one more point I should come on. If you by chance make any mistake, then first of all, no need to worry, no need to panic, no need to worry. Once you submit your application form undergoes scrutiny, and if you are found like your form is up to the mark, you will receive an email that your form is up to the mark, congratulations and everything. If your form by chance has any mistake, they will inform you by mail, and will mention the time by which you can rectify the details and submit it again. So don't worry, like IIT's procedure, everything, JAM procedure is so cool. They don't like reject like this only. Don't worry at all. If you like by chance make any mistake, they will be notifying you. Don't worry for that. I hope this video is very, very clear to you. If you are JAM 2022 chemistry aspirant or in general, JAM 2022 aspirant, please subscribe the channel for more videos. I will be uploading so many videos regarding strategies, motivation and everything. And for chemistry aspirants, I will be uploading short notes, crash courses, video on topics, everything. Share the video a lot. Till then, we'll see you in the later video. Till then, stay tuned with Chemistry with Karan. Thank you so much.